Hey guys, welcome back. I am thrilled for this video. It is the Beautylish Lucky Bag 2023 unboxing. This is my third time purchasing this and I got the smaller size. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I got. I have not looked in here yet, so I have no idea. If you're not sure what this is, it's a mystery bag from Beautylish and they go on sale every year, December 26th, and then they ship in the new year. And yeah, like I said, I've gotten this 2 other times. The first time I was kind of disappointed. The second time I got a good one, but it's a mystery bag. You just don't know what you're gonna get. And if you are new, please subscribe. I upload 4 videos a week, and this video is a collab with Alex. Check her out. I will link her in the description box. So we both have gotten the Beautylish Lucky Bags multiple times, and we are both really excited. I am so thrilled to see what she gets in hers. So check her video out and her channel out. I will put her in the description box. We both do project panning and then other types of videos as well. We both love eyeshadow palettes, so we definitely have that in common. So if you don't already watch Alex, please check her out. She is amazing and I cannot wait to watch her video and see what she got in her lucky bag. So yeah, like I said, I have not yet looked in here. I'm pretty excited about it. And if you guys got the lucky bag, please let us know. Did you like it? What did you get? And yeah, let's just get into this video. So it does come packaged really well. It's like this every year where they have like the nice tissue paper and all of that. So we'll just, who cares about that though? Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna try not to really look, oh, it's all like bubble wrapped together. Hold on. Okay, I'm trying not to look, so I didn't look to see what everything else was. Okay, R&C Company High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. Don't know what this is. Hair, it's for hair. I was like, is this body or hair care? Okay. Interesting, okay. I like hair products, I really do, and I'm trying to grow my hair out, so I'm really happy to try something different, and my hair is frizzy, so a shine cream for me actually is definitely something worthwhile. So hey, I'm always excited to try a new hair care out. All right, I pulled this out. What is this? Wayne Goss, which I did get something from Wayne Goss last year. I got one of the eyeshadow palettes, and maybe unpopular opinion, I didn't think it was that good. But this is a Wayne Goss Essential Lip Pencil, which I really like lip liners actually. So, and I've heard good things about the Wayne Goss lip products. I got the shade, what is it? Natural Berry. All right, let's swatch this. Feels a little dry just on a swatch. Okay, but the color, that's definitely the type of color I would like. So, okay, I'm excited because I admit like Wayne Goss is not a brand I would personally buy from, but it's definitely a high-end brand. So it's kind of nice to try something different. I think that's kind of what's really fun about this box is that it's kind of a way for someone who's a beauty lover to try some things maybe they normally wouldn't buy. And again, I cannot wait to see what Alex got and other people. I have not watched any unboxing videos yet just because I didn't want to like, no. Okay, this feels like a palette. Let's go for it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, Natasha Denona, My Dream Palette. I do own this and I love it. But something that I told myself is that if I got something I already owned, I'm gonna be sending it to my sister. Her birthday is next month, so perfect. But this is good. If I didn't have this, this would be so amazing. So I think this is great, and honestly, I'm happy to give this to my sister. Let me open it. I'm not gonna swatch it obviously, but I'm just wanna make sure it's not broken, honestly. That's something I like to do with eyeshadow palettes. But if you want to know more about this palette, I did film a look with it last month. Yeah, it's perfectly intact. So yeah, I love this palette. This has become one of my favorites. So I'm actually really happy to get an extra one that I can give to my sister. So FYI, you should never get your hopes up, obviously, for these mystery boxes, but I admit I was kind of hoping to get a Sonia G brush because the last 2 years I got the lucky bag, I did get Sonia G eye brushes and they are really good. Those are very expensive eye brushes and personally I really like them. Anyway, we'll see. I don't know. Okay, there's always something from Good Molecules every year. I've never watched a Beautylish unboxing where people didn't get a Good Molecules product. And I admit that I've tried quite a few things from Good Molecules. Some of the things I really like, but other things I thought were only okay. This is the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil with Camellia, Sea Buckthorn Oil. Ooh, okay, actually this I'm really excited about. I love facial oils, especially in the winter. Oh my gosh, today actually when I got out of the shower, I put oil like all over my face and my body because my skin was feeling so dry. So this, yeah, actually, you know what? I think I've had this before and I do like it. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped about that. Can always use another face oil. So far, I think the box is really good. I'm excited for the lip liner. I'm actually really excited for this hair product because I've never even tried this brand. And I got an amazing palette. So, all right, let's see. What is this? What is this? Okay, I have no idea what this is. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a set of brushes. Okay, so this, what is this brand? I've seen people get this before, I think. This might be the Beautylish like in-house brand. But you know what? I'm always for more makeup brushes. I love makeup brushes. And so here we have this one. It's the 203. It looks like a crease brush. This one is like a smaller one. Here you have a flatter brush. I mean, this set looks pretty good. So they're all eye brushes, which I love. I love trying new eyeshadow brushes, honestly. And then a crease brush, kind of a fluffier one. I mean, these seem nice. I mean, it seems like the handle is good. They're synthetic. They seem soft. I don't know. Obviously, I'll have to try them out. But a set of 5 eye brushes. So obviously I didn't get the Sonia G because I don't think they would have put this and a Sonia G brush, but that's okay. Honestly, I'm excited to try these out. I mean, the quality just based off of like what I'm seeing here seems good. So I'm pretty excited about that. And it does come in this little case, which I don't have anything like this. So, and I could use this for travel and I could obviously put other brushes. I don't have to have those brushes in there. I usually put my makeup brushes, I have like a slot thing on my travel makeup bag where I put them, but I don't know, it'd be kind of cool to have a whole separate thing for them. So not bad. This is actually pretty neat. All right, we're still going here. What is this? Mob Blush. Blush refill. What? Mob? I don't know what that is. Okay. Let's see. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so it's like a magnetic blush. Ooh, wow, this color is really pretty. Let's just swatch this. Peachy blush. I love peachy blush so much. Ooh, that's pretty. So I guess I'll have to try to figure out if this will magnetize to my magnetic palettes that I already have. Hopefully. Let me see more about this. Yeah, Mob. I have never heard of this brand. So kind of cool to try something different. Yeah, mobbeauty.com. Place into Mob refillable compact or palette. Cool. Hey, I don't necessarily need to buy that. I'll figure out how to do that. But wow, that is a stunning color and that's definitely my kind of blush shade. So, all right, I'm pretty excited. All right, let's see what this is. Ooh, Wayne Goss lipstick. Okay, I've heard really good things about these. So again, not a brand I would buy from, but kind of cool to try. So let's see what shade this is. Shade is Pecan. Very nice packaging. Let's swatch this. Ooh, brown neutral. I love brown tone lip colors. So, ooh, and this looks like it has like a nice kind of satin, almost a bit of a shine to it. So, okay, I'm pretty excited about that and the lip liner. I think there may be one more thing in here. Let's see. Again, Mob. Oh, I think this is the compact for that blush. Okay, so I don't have to worry about finding a different home for that blush. Yeah, so here's the little compact. This is cute. Okay, let's put it in here. Let's see. And the blush is M27. Oh. Oh my gosh. I don't want to like break this trying to get this in here. Is there some fancy way of doing this that I'm not aware of? Hold on a second. Okay, the instructions say you have to use this pinhole to open it. So I'll figure that out later. We'll put that aside, but I am glad that it did come with a little compact. All right, so I actually think this was a pretty good bag. So this was the $75 bag, plus you pay, I think, $15 for shipping. So the blush is beautiful. I need to put it in the compact. I didn't get a Sonia G brush, but that's okay. I'm actually pretty excited about these. I'm always happy to try some new eyeshadow brushes. The facial oil, I'm pretty sure I have finished one of these before and I did enjoy it. The hair product, I don't know anything about this brand, but hey, anything that gives shine, smooths out my hair, I am definitely willing to try it. I'm actually excited about the Wayne Goss lip products. They look really, really pretty. And yeah, the shades are definitely the type of shades I like. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, pretty awesome that I got the My Dream palette. And I think, yeah, for people who don't have this, like that would be so amazing. But I'm excited I have someone to give this to. So pretty good bag, not gonna lie. I'm happy about it, I really am. I don't know the retail value of the items, so I'll do that separately and then I'll put the retail price, I guess, on the screen. So yeah, that is it. I think this was a good bag. I'm excited and I'm so excited to see what Alex got in her bag. So check Alex out. I'm so excited we are collabing on this video. And like I said, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload 4 videos a week and I like to do a combination of new and old makeup and project panning, shop my stash, all of that. So yeah, that is it. Let us know if you got the Beautylish lucky bag. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.